Hello, warm welcome back to my channel, Dr.Sirisha's Management Lectures. In this video, we'll try to see how we can, perform better outside our comfort zone. Okay, because we are all, that is a natural human tendency to be in the comfort zone, in the places, in the areas or in the field of expertise where we all feel comfortable. We don't really go out to test the waters all the time. We seek that comfort, that cushion, or that sense of safety and security, that feeling of being protected and well within the comfort zone. But life of a leader, life of a manager, life of an entrepreneur is definitely not like that. He has to or she has to widen their comfort zones or even step out of their comfort zones to be successful. Okay, comfort zone leadership is not very challenging, and if you are a true leader and if you really want to test the waters, then you have to get out of that comfort zone, or at least you have to expand your comfort zone. Okay, and you have to be prepared to face different situations. Okay, let us see what tips we can follow to perform better outside the comfort zone, right? Seek discomfort, accept discomfort, go out for that discomfort. Don't always settle yourself or shut yourself within your comfort zone. Go out, break that shell and try to seek discomfort. And you need not do life-changing things, or you need not take life-changing decisions overnight. You can take little steps, baby steps towards seeking discomfort or towards expanding your comfort zone, right? Like, for example, alter your daily routines, small things, the way you travel, the route you take to your office, or the kind of food you eat every day, or the timings of your meetings or something like that. Try to do your routine things in a different way. That is because those small changes, they will alter the kind of wiring we have been used to in our brain. It alters that wiring, and it also makes us accept that little discomfort is okay, we can handle it literally. Okay, don't take big steps at a time, altering life-changing decisions at a time. Take these baby steps like altering your daily routines, or meeting new people from different walks of life. Because in your office setting or in your business setting, you will be meeting the same kind of people with the same mindset, with the same conversations, same experiences every day. So that is making you again closed or shut down in your comfort zone. So you try to expand your area. Okay, try meeting people from different walks of life, try making conversations with them, so that you understand, like when you are faced with a different situation, you're not shattered at once, because you already know that there are people with different mindsets, different experiences. Okay, also try learning new skills, any skill, be it a new language or be it a new fine art or anything, new routine or a new hobby, anything that makes you come out of your comfort zone, that challenges you bit by bit. Okay, practice leadership in unfamiliar situations. Again, leadership in your routine is again a routine thing. Every day you seek or you mingle with, or you discuss the same issues with the same people. Okay, try to do that in a different situation, or try to take up challenges, right? So that makes you that unfamiliarity makes you more expanded leader. Your leadership abilities will be expanding more. Okay, try to, again, like switch places with others, like job rotation we call it. If you are stick to your own role, you don't practically understand what other departments or other people from other areas of expertise are going through. So maybe as an entrepreneur, as a manager, if you have this chance, then try to shift your role or try to place yourself in a different situation. Okay, of course this is not very practical for most of the people who are employed somewhere, but if you are an entrepreneur, maybe you can try doing that. Like what I am suggesting is like placing yourself in the shoes of others, so that you can really understand other people's perspective, and that in the process what happens is you will be expanding your leadership style or your comfort zone, not sticking yourself to the same old routine kind of people management. Okay, mix up your meetings. Like for example, usually what happens is if you are a leader, if you are a manager, you will have a fixed agenda for your meeting. Try to cut that at once. Okay, sometimes, not all at once, but sometimes you try to go for a meeting which is not pre-planned. Okay, try enough to some kind of discomfort or some unpreparedness or something new. If something new comes up, discuss it. Do not postpone it. That will challenge your comfort zone. That will challenge your routine way of leadership. If something when your meeting is not planned, if it does not have a fixed agenda, then your employees are free to discuss. Allow them to discuss freely. Okay, inform them well in advance that it is going to be a free flow of ideas. There is no fixed agenda. Maybe that is what how you can expand your comfort zone. Your preparedness for a meeting or for a discussion, it will confine you to that particular point or that particular agenda. But when you are free, new challenges will come up and you will have to handle the situation then and there itself. So that expands your comfort zone, and that gives you an experience of handling unplanned things, right? Don't run away from conflict. Most of us, we are all conflict avoidant personalities. We don't like conflicts. We maximum people, they try to avoid conflicts. Okay, but if you really want to break that comfort zone and come out of it, or at least if you want to expand your zone of leadership, then you have to be facing the conflicts. You have to confront the conflict. You have to face the situation. Okay, because we all avoid conflicts because we don't like disagreements, or we don't feel comfortable discussing what we are not agreeing with. But once if you start doing that in of course a productive way, or in a you don't have to take it very personal at the same time. Okay, but if you really involve yourself in the conflict, but at the same time try to practice not taking it personally, then that kind of approach will expand your comfort zone. That gives you new perspective. Okay, become a bulletproof leader. Bulletproof leader in the sense, you don't shut yourself in that cocoon of comfort. Okay, try to break it. Try to be open and try to be having wide experiences. Don't be scared of something unfamiliar. Okay, widen your experience, widen your comfort zone, so that nothing is out of your comfort zone. Okay, you be open to a big range of problems or big range of challenges. Don't narrow down your thinking perspective. Okay, be open. Anything, anytime may come up in our life or in our business, in our job. Any problem from anywhere may pop up suddenly. You be bulletproof, you be open to facing that. Okay, so you have to expand your comfort zone to such a range that nothing is beyond your comfort zone. Okay, so these are small things which you can practice in your personal life or in your professional life. Okay, you can try practicing different roles. Like for example, you are the leader, you are taking all the initiative, you are taking all the enthusiasm, you are guiding everybody. For some time, you know, in your personal life also you can practice this. For some occasions, on some situations, you try not to be a leader. Okay, so see how you will feel by not leading. Okay, so that is also breaking your comfort zone, kind of. Okay, so try them, right? Thank you.